Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you that how we can create a simple virus using Python. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to create a virus that will going to delete all the files and all the folders present in our current working directory, or we can say all the files present in the same folder where our virus is. Okay, so let's get started. Uh, First of all, here I have created a folder named virus. As you guys can see, there's some pictures in this folder. There's no file. I'm going to open my Sublime text editor. Uh, I'm going to open that folder and I'm going to create a new file in this folder. As you guys can see, there are some PNG images here, and I'm going to create a new file and I'm going to save it in the same folder which I have created. And I'm going to give it the name virus.py. Okay, so we don't need any external library or module to create virus. We are going to use the inbuilt module, OS module, which comes along with the installation of Python. So we are going to use that. So to use that, we all we need to do is first of all import that module. We are going to type import OS. Okay. So now we have successfully imported the OS module in our program, and now let's try to print all the files present in our current working directory. So for that, we are going to use os.listdir function. os.listdir. Okay, os.listdir function. What this function do, it will return a list of all the files present in our current working directory, which is this virus folder. Okay, so we are going to capture it into a variable named files is equal to os.listdir, and we can print these files. Okay, so let's try to run this. As you guys can see, all the files present in our current working directory has been printed. And now what we are going to do, we are going to delete these files one by one. Okay, so for that we need to use loops. We are we are going to iterate over these files. Okay, so we are going to iterate over these files, and we are going to delete these files one by one. So for that, what we are going to do, we would we are going to run a loop on this files variable, which stores the list returned by this function. Okay, so we are going to say for I in files. Okay, and we are going to say we are going to check if that file is a Python file or not. So because we don't want our virus to delete itself. Okay, so for that we are going to check if the file ends with .py. Okay, if it doesn't end with .py, like here it is png and psd, it will going to delete all these files except the that file which ends with .py. Okay, so here we are going to check. We would say if I dot ends with function check whether the file ends with any given extension or not, like .txt, .py, .png. Okay, so we are going to provide here .py. If I dot ends with .py, we are going to just pass. Okay, we don't want to do it anything. Okay, else we are going to remove that file. Okay, so to remove the file, we going to call a function os.remove. os.remove function remove the files from or it deletes the file. Okay, so os dot remove, and we are going to pass the argument I. Okay, and we are going to print here one. Okay, so as you guys can see, there are files present in our where the files are present in this folder. Now I'm going to run my program, and you guys can see all the files has been deleted except this virus.py. In our folder there's only virus.py left, and all other files has been deleted. Okay, so this is how you can create a simple virus using Python. All right, uh, let's let's try to add new files. Let's copy this again back to that folder, and here instead of running this program from this text editor, I'm just going to double click on this file present in our folder. Okay, so if I double click on this file, as you guys can see, all the files has been deleted automatically. So this is how a virus deleting file virus work, we can say, or this is how you can create a simple virus in Python. All right, with just a little bit of changes, you can make this virus to completely remove all the files from a system. And I'm not going to show you that how you will going to do that, because this is against the YouTube policy. I cannot show you the whole procedure here. For this video I'm going to show you only this, how to delete the files present in a one single folder. All right, so that's it for today's videos, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more amazing content like this, you can subscribe to my channel, and do check out my Instagram page. The link is given in the description. I post daily videos and pictures regarding programming on my Instagram page. You can follow me there. And if you have any kind of query regarding programming, you can message me on Instagram. The link is, again I'm saying, the link is in the description. Check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.